Hello ladies and gentlemen and everything in between. Welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today we're going to be looking at this. This is the Zippo Magnetic Stand for Zippos. Now the problem is with this is a candy apple red Zippo. Even it doesn't really fit very well. It's kind of tight. And if you have something like a Black Crackle 41 replica, it doesn't fit. Especially an Armor. Doesn't fit at all. So, in this episode, we're going to try and remedy that. So, stay tuned. Alright, so, what we're going to do is file out some of the sides. It's hard to tell because it's all black. It's hard to tell because it's all black. Oh, here we go. You can see it's curved. It's curved from here to here in sort of a C shape. So what I'm going to try to do is file it this way and try and flatten it out and open it up a little bit on each side to accept an Armor. It would be faster with the Dremel, but I'm not proficient with the Dremel, so I'm just going to try hand filing. So let's get started. To get up against this corner, here, let me zoom in a little. I'm holding it flat. Well, I'm at an angle so you can see it, but I'm holding it flat up against, like if I were to do it this way, it would be flat. It's actually making relatively quick work on this plastic. So I'm going to start on the other side now, because this, I'm starting to get into this side of the plastic here. So I'm going to try, I don't know the best way to do this. Maybe like this? No. Here we go. Let's check. Still no. Got to get this corner, because as we're going this way, I don't think we're getting this corner very well. So just come in from the opposite direction. Do it on this side, same thing. Check. Making progress. It's fitting a little better. I think a Dremel would work too fast, and you could potentially mess this up. This plastic stinks. Let's check. A bit of a press fit. I'm going to do a little bit on the other side, and I think we might be done. Because, let's see, 41 replica, again, kind of a press fit. But, let's keep working. See how it feels. Pretty smooth. So we're doing well there. Ooh. Still a bit of a press fit. But it's accepting an armor. So that's good. We're making progress. There we go. No, still a little more. This side's a little off still. Crackle. Still a bit of a press fit. A little more. Well, you kind of want it to hold it. How about this one? Well, I think that's pretty good. So, a couple minutes of filing, and we have a more useful Zippo stand that will accept more than just one kind of Zippo. You can see here my file skated off. Left a couple of marks. Kind of disappointing. But, I mean, it gives it soul, right? I mean, this is something to be used. So if you really cared about keeping the external stuff pristine, you could mask it off with masking tape, which I would recommend after having this happen. So, now this is infinitely more usable. This is an armor. And it fits. This is Black Crackle 41. It fits. So, with a little bit of filing, you too can have a Zippo stand that'll work. It's a shame that we have to do this as an after purchase thing, and they don't just come like this. But, hey, if it's broke, fix it. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you next time.